Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Litecoin from Bitrue to Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're looking to secure your Litecoin holdings in a hardware wallet like Tangem, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. It's quick, safe, and straightforward, helping you avoid common pitfalls along the way. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have your Bitrue account set up and verified. Bitrue is a popular exchange for trading cryptos, and Tangem is a top-notch hardware wallet that keeps your assets offline and secure. Before we start, double-check that you're on the Litecoin network. It's crucial to match networks to prevent any transaction errors. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Litecoin balance. Click on it to access the withdrawal options. Step 2. Open your Tangem wallet app on your device. Go to the Receive section for Litecoin and generate or display your wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers. Copy it carefully to your clipboard. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to avoid sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Back in Bitrue, select Withdraw for Litecoin. Paste the Tangem wallet address into the designated field. Enter the amount you want to send, and check the network. Make sure it's set to Litecoin, LTC. You'll see a fee estimate, so review that to understand the costs involved. Step 4. Hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to an hour to confirm. Finally, once it's done, check your Tangem wallet to ensure your Litecoin has arrived. Congrats! You've just secured your assets. Remember, always prioritize security in crypto. Use strong passwords and keep your private keys safe. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy out there.